Top 5 Best Garage Workbenches 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. This Husky mobile workbench offers quick tool access. Its unique flip-up pegboard with shelf keeps essentials right at your fingertips. You get a big 61-inch solid wood top for projects. Plus, it has 10 drawers, all with 120-pound rated soft close slides. Casters come pre-installed, saving you assembly time. It's great for anyone needing organized, mobile storage in their garage. Just know that the textured black finish is a specific look. Overall, it's a very practical choice. Number 2. Integrated power and light built right in. This Seville Classics UltraHD Workcenter redefines convenience for any workshop or garage. Its heavy-duty steel construction supports 500 pounds with a 1.5-inch solid wood top. You get a 6-outlet power strip, 2 USB ports, and a bright 1,000-lumen LED light overhead. Plus, there's a fingerprint-resistant drawer for tidy storage. It's not for extreme, multi-thousand-pound loads, but for most users needing a full-featured, heavy-duty garage workbench, this one is an excellent choice. Number 3. This FLEXIMOUNTS kit lets you build any size, heavy-duty workbench. It truly stands out with its customizable design. Build it up to 8 feet long. The solid steel, powder-coated construction offers a 1,000-pound weight capacity. That's dependable for your garage or workshop. Assembly is straightforward. All hardware and pre-drilled holes are included. One key thing, lumber isn't part of the kit. You'll source that yourself. For a robust, custom work table that won't flex, this steel frame kit is a solid choice. Number 4. This 2-in-1 workbench offers huge 1,000-pound sawhorse capacity while still working as a 300-pound table. It's a truly portable folding workbench weighing only 30 pounds and includes integrated clamps plus a measuring guide. You can expand its generous 31 by 25-inch surface seamlessly with other WORX tables. Its 32-inch height might feel a bit low for some. For a compact, heavy-duty solution for garage work, this Pegasus is definitely worth considering. Number 5. Integrated power outlets and light. This WEN workbench is designed for active woodworkers and mechanics. It offers a 48-inch, 220-pound capacity work surface. You get 3 built-in 13-amp power outlets and an overhead fluorescent light. Plus, there are 2 drawers, shelves, and a pegboard for organized storage. At 62 inches tall, it's quite vertical, so ensure your space accommodates its height. For a comprehensive garage workbench, this WEN model delivers ready-to-use power and serious organization. Thanks for watching Best Garage Workbenches. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.